this video is for you if you're using Premiere Pro and not sure which path to go down while exporting the video to get a really good result. So this is how I do it, and I think this turns out really good. The first thing you want to do is change the format to H.264, and then you're going to change your preset to whatever use you need this for. So I'm going to be exporting this for YouTube, and so I'm going to pick YouTube 2160p 4K UHD. Next thing is the output name, and this is pretty important if you want to keep track of what videos you shoot and everything, and what are you exporting and all that. So for me, I'm just going to change the title. You don't really have to. This the title name basically comes from the first video piece that you actually import into the library here to edit. So as you can see, it says shot 1 for mine. I'm just going to change it to this, showing G7 setup. And then you can also pick where you want to save this whole thing to and the format of this. So this is going to be an MP4, and then I'm going to press save. So you can already see the summary of whatever is going on here. To do a little bit of more advanced stuff, we're going to go down in video and press the render at maximum depth, and then we're going to go down and then go down and down and down. Okay, so then we're gonna stop at the bitrate setting, and for this I always go 2 pass, because with 1 pass it just kind of scans and everything, does it pretty fast exporting. If you go with 2 pass, it's gonna work with a lot of details. For example, if you're moving something really fast in the frame in the video, it's gonna basically show out all the details, because it's gonna put more storage in that part of the video. And then if you're showing something like still in the screen, it's obviously not gonna use a lot of storage there. So they put a lot of effort into that. So I always put 2 passes to make the video even a lot better. And then target bitrate, this will obviously depend. I think YouTube is somewhere around like 50s or 60s, but I just put like 70 or something, whatever that is. The more this is, obviously you can keep track of how much storage you're using. So we're already at 2046 megabytes. So I'm just gonna go down. There's nothing else to do. We don't need any VR stuff. The last thing I want to do is use maximum render quality, and then I'm just gonna hit export, and this will export the video. And this obviously takes a lot of time because we are doing 2 passes, but the video will turn out pretty good. So I'll leave the link of this video in the description so you guys can check it out, how the result of this came out to be. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.